go. That was it there.
Yeah.
All right, so we're working here today. We're working on a patient here who's having some low back pain. Had some previous injuries. You can see right here we have some injuries there. I'm working on some rotation of his pelvis, and here as well. We have some rotation in his L4, L5, and if we come up here with the neck, you know, this is kind of what we're looking for. And we can see here we definitely have some issues there, just probably some older injuries. I know we had a history of playing different sports, so so we see they're still going to work on those there. So let's lay down here. We'll get started. Ooh, feels tight today. Were you working out?
Yesterday I did.
Yeah.
Maybe too hard.
It feels like it. So I'm going to work on these muscles here. It's not as bad this time?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, not like the other day.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna lay this side up here facing me.
Okay.
Come up here. Just like that. Oh, oops, sorry. I got you here, so we're gonna come down. Alright. We're gonna flip over the other way here. Okay. Alright, that was it there. Let's have you lay back face down. I'm going to check that mid back again. Okay. We'll go out face down here. Okay, that was it there. Let's roll over onto your back. Let's lay face up. Alright, that was it there.
That was a big one.
Come up. And we're going to do the anterior as well. So we'll hop back there. Let's use this part here. Whew. Feeling alright?
Yeah, that was
Moved good.
that was a big one.
Yeah. Sit right here. Alright, give yourself a big hug and keep your head tight to your chest. Bring it back there. Come on. There we go. That was it there.
Yeah.
Thank you.